How to log into Sweat wallet account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Sweat wallet app on your device. If not, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download, launch it. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of login with secret phrase. Now here you have to type in your secret phrase in order to log into your account. Only secret phrases created in the Sweat wallet can be used at present. There are 12 words, word order is important, and there should be a single space between the words. So go ahead and type in your secret phrase over here. After you type in that, click on login, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into your Sweat wallet account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.